Foul Play and Cabernet. So it's a puzzle game, but
it's also a mini game.
it's a classic mysteries with a challenging twist. Read, assemble, solve. All right, let's try this. Okay. It's 1,000 pieces. It's 1,000 pieces. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's the thing. So we have to read this, Kenji. The Foul Play and Cabernet. Alright. So we have to read it. Okay, we will read it. Okay, so we finished reading this story. And the last paragraph is, do you assemble the jigsaw puzzle and see if you can solve the following questions in this mystery. Who killed Ernie Field? How did they do it? Where is the body? And then there's a solution there that we can see if we hold this against a mirror. Yan, guys. That's the solution. If you hold it against the mirror, you can read it because it's written backwards. All right, we will try to solve it.
Firstly, Sheriff Barry said, let's tackle the question of the murderer's identity. Darlene's story of being at the restaurant late last night checked out. The staff confirmed she came back to look for a bracelet she lost just as they were locking the doors.
She couldn't have
returned to the winery
before 1 a.m.
1 a.m. Then there's
Vino
Vino Joe. His shaky hands would have been incapable of reading a murder weapon. So that brings
us back to you, Harry. Okay, blah, 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 blah. And then he walked over to the barrel marked 1961. 1961 is a year that reads the same, right side up or upside down. He said, let's get that forklift and take a look. 20 minutes later, they removed the wine-soaked body of Ernie Field. Later, Ed Laurie would swear that he died with a smile on his face. Okay, Kenji, we finally did it.
Yes, we
of
finally
course.
finished the puzzle and I'm so happy that
Yeah.
it looks so amazing.
Yeah, so Daddy helped us. So based on the story and the mystery, Ernie Field was killed by Harry Bloom. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And based on the clue in the story, his body was hidden here in the barrel 1961. Because if you turn it upside down, it's still 1961. Yay! Okay, guys. So this is the puzzle. There. Look at that. It was not easy. It's 1,000 pieces.
Oh yeah, if you turn it upside down, it's still 1961.
Yes. Okay. Next time we will assemble another puzzle, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So say thank you for watching.
Thank